Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can easily backup your theme in Shopify. So what you want to do is just be simple in Shopify, and then you're gonna be on online store themes, and you're gonna see actions, and then you're gonna see download theme file. Your themes will be emailed to your mail, send email. So this is how you can simply backup your all the theme things. But it's really important, guys. So what I would recommend is you can also backup you're just going to backup the theme. What I recommend, go to product and download these, right? So also download those. Then I would recommend like orders, customers, you can backup those too. When you would click on orders, you would see right here. So that's pretty much it. And yeah, thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments, and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.